Hello, I'm Dr. Tomás Aragón, State Public Health Officer and Director of the California Department of Public Health. I want to welcome you to the California Hispanic Chamber of Commerce 42nd Annual Statewide Convention. Starting next week from September 15th to October 15th, we celebrate El Mes de la Hispanidad, Hispanic Pride. From Mexico to Chile to Costa Rica, El Salvador, Guatemala, Honduras, Nicaragua, these Latin American countries celebrate their independence with pride during the month of September. As we feel proud of our roots, traditions, and culture, we also feel proud of being part of the solution to end this pandemic by getting vaccinated and vaccinating our loved ones. We feel proud to protect our families as our immigrants' parents did by vaccinating us against diseases like polio or measles and by coming to this nation to give us a better life. To protect those we love and to visit those that we love in our native countries, it is important that we get vaccinated. Vaccines keep our multi-generational households safe and protect those that cannot get vaccinated and are essential workers. Getting vaccinated and receiving factual, science-based information will save countless lives. The Hispanic and immigrant communities have been among the most impacted during the pandemic. But the good news is that we have a powerful tool to fight this deadly disease. Vaccines are still the best tool to fight COVID-19 and its variants, including the Delta. We recognize the importance of small businesses and the critical role they play in bolstering the state's economy. We acknowledge that the pandemic has taken a toll on California's business community, with many businesses shuttering or downsizing to stay viable during this difficult time. We are grateful to the business community that from the beginning of the pandemic has been a partner with the governor and with public health officials by implementing mitigation protocols and testing, hosting vaccination clinics, communicating the need to get vaccinated, promoting the vaccine, and offering incentives to employees and customers. Latino-owned businesses are a growing sector of the economy and contribute significantly to its overall strength. And when Latino businesses struggle, their struggle impacts negatively on the U.S. economy. It's for all these reasons that our approach emphasizes keeping workplaces and workers safe and not negatively impacting businesses themselves. We will pay special attention to continued outreach to Latino communities, of which only 49% are fully vaccinated in California. Due to the recent increases in COVID-19 cases, California officials are recommending that private employers require their employees to be vaccinated against COVID-19 or undergo regular testing. We urge you to follow the state's lead and implement a COVID-19 vaccination verification or regular testing program at your business to keep your employees safe. California's first in the nation requirement that state employees show proof of COVID-19 vaccination or undergo weekly testing and wear masks is leading by example at a time when we must work together against this deadly virus. Many private businesses and local governments have followed Governor Newsom's lead in implementing vaccine and testing measures for employees. After California implemented new vaccine verification and testing requirements for state and healthcare workers, and President Biden following suit, employers have implemented similar measures for thousands of employees throughout the state. Some examples include the cities of LA, San Francisco, San Diego, Long Beach, associations like the U.S. Chamber of Commerce, unions like SEIU, and private businesses like Google, Facebook, Netflix, Lyft, Uber, CVS, United Airlines, among many others. We are committed to open and constructive collaboration, and we will continue to engage the private sector in solutions that benefit all Californians. Thank you for all you are doing for California and the Hispanic community as we navigate and defeat this pandemic together.